Now he'll play the music. अभी म्यूजिक का टाइम है.
So क्या करो म्यूजिक में क्या बजाएंगे बोलो?
Whatever other म्युझिकाचे नॉलेज इज ना. तुका जाय.
Okay, I'll show you some instruments that I
Okay,
own.
before that, how many instruments do you play?
Okay, I'm actually I know to play properly one instrument, that is the bass guitar.
Okay.
Properly. Rest all I can make some sound out of it. There are, I collect instruments basically, mostly exotic instruments people haven't heard about. So I have about 45 instruments at home that I've bought with my own money over time. And more, collecting more. Basically, I just want to collect as many instruments as possible. So that's the goal.
ये भी एक हॉबी है.
Yeah, it's hobby, passion, plus music, right? And you can carry it anywhere. So like I carried this in my pocket. So this is, now people wonder what it is. They think it's some childam, but it's not. It's called a jaw harp.
या प्रीवियस व्हिडिओन प्ले
Yeah,
केलो.
you must have seen
त्यारीन तो रिंग हे केल्लो पळय तिता व्हिडिओन तो रिंग तू दिता पळय.
Yeah, correct. सब वीडियो देखा
साफ
मैंने.
देखता है ब्रो, साफ देखता है, कमेंट भी करता है, तुम भी करो.
Yes. Okay. So this is a jaw harp. Now the reason why I like these instruments is because इसका जो sound आता है ना, it's said to be the sound of creation. It's based around the sound of Om. So Om is Aum. It's start, middle, and end. So it's also the sound of creation. When in the beginning there was nothing, there was a sound, and through sound everything was created. Now, if you also see like ancient technology, they have carved a temple out of one rock,
Yeah,
a monolith.
exactly,
How is that
exactly.
possible? People think it's aliens, ancient aliens, that series and all. But I feel it's more of sound vibration. So you tune certain forks and everything to a certain vibration, and then you use them to cut rocks. It was a technology that was possible earlier, and it's not possible now. Of course, I'm not a scientist or archaeologist, but these are just some things that you understand over time.
Haters dislike.
Yeah, haters please dislike. You were supposed to do it. Okay. So this is a jaw harp, and it works something like this. So you use your jaw, your mouth to make sounds. It's basically this one small brass vibrating plate over here. Okay.
It might look like a ink पेनाची टीप असता पळय,
Yeah.
but an extended version of it.
Yeah, correct. So I don't know how clear the audio would be, but so this one I won't play for long. You can watch the rest of my videos over there.
या उसको चैनल चेक करना. He goes to a place, शांत जगह, इससे भी शांत जगह, and he plays that.
Plays
Like
various
तिथे
instruments.
ऐकपा येता रे बाबा, आवाज येता सारखं ट्रूंग सारखे कान बरे येता. So that was the first instrument.
Yeah, this is an Indian jaw harp. This is one from Russia, which I got recently. That is about 1,000. This is 4,000. But I like to collect instruments, so I just spend my money.
शौक
on
है
that.
भाई, शौक है.
शौक है भाई.
शौक की बात है.
पिछली वीक में ही लिया है मेरे को इतना बजाना अच्छे से नहीं
ओके,
आता.
एक्सक्लूसिव कंटेंट.
Yes, exclusive.
एक्सक्लूसिव.
अभी तक कभी भी किसी भी वीडियो में नहीं है ये. So
Exclusive.
it's called a Vargan. It's from Russia, and this is a case the original the owner, the seller made for me. It's got a bebo on it, toad. Significance of a bebo is a lot of things. You will understand in time. So this different to play. Earlier one you hold it in your lips. This you have to clasp it in your teeth. And when you play this one, especially what happens is your whole skull vibrates along with this. So I'm actually getting high the moment I'm playing it. Okay, so it does sound similar, but yeah. So it's striking against my teeth because I don't know how to play it, right? It's very
आणि
new.
ते लाईक कळत ते स्कला कित्याक म्हणले बिकॉज दिस इज
Attached to the whole-
जेन्ना
yeah.
तुम्ही वाजले की तुका हे जाता.
Exactly.
सो अँड दॅट तो वायब्रेट जाता पळय, तुका तोंडाक पण म्हाका अशें जातालें म्हाका. सो
So I'm fully vibrating, getting high. and-
एक्चुअली
So yeah, this is a Vargan from Russia. I try to mix different instruments. I also try to mix sometimes beatbox with a jaw harp or whatever. And my whole goal is to create as much music as possible with different exotic instruments and different people. That's why I like to jam up with people. You know? Just sit with them.
ही इज अ बिझी गाय डूड. म्हाका टायम मेळो म्हाकाच खबर ना कसो मेळो तो. बाबा तो रातचो 4 न्हिदला आनी सकाळी 6 उठून येयला हांगा बट थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Cheers, bro. So that's the second.
तोय म्हणून लेट न्हिदला रे. तो कितल्यांक 3 न्हिदला दिसता
तू
म्हाका.
काय गेल्लो रे bro?
हांव न्हिदला भाऊ सुशेगाद 12.
So yeah, this is a Vargan from Russia. These are 2 jaw harps. I'll get the rest of them.
येता एक मिनिट. येस.
So this is a tongue drum. You must have seen it
Yeah,
in my
yeah.
videos. This is a very famous instrument thanks to me.
या अरे केन्ना पळोवना सुद्दां म्हणजे असले बी इंस्ट्रुमेंट आसता म्हणून म्हाका हेका पळोवन कळ्ळा मागीर.
आता कोण गावठी मनीस पळयत जाल्यार म्हणटले कितें भरला आनी काय
हे घरा कडेन तोपले वाजयता म्हणटलो.
तोपले वाजयता.
एक्झॅक्टली तोपले वाजयता म्हणटलो.
But it makes some really soothing sounds.
Yeah, actually,
Basically,
listen
it's
to
a
it, listen
hollow cylinder with 2 sides of steel attached like this, and it makes some really beautiful sound. This is a rubber mallet.
Originated from?
This has Aztec origins. Aztecs are South American, Mexican kind of civilizations. So it has origins there, but it's a very modern instrument. It was invented somewhere in 2008, 2009.
आलीत.
Yeah, very very modern instrument. Ancient origins, but modern instrument. It's already vibrating with the wind. So if you listen to it carefully, you would be able to hear it. And also, this is based on the principle of resonance. So kida jata, the moment I play, everything else vibrates with it. So it gives it a whole kind of sound. So this goes.
कशें जालें खबर? ओ दिस प्लेस इज डिफरंटूच दिसता म्हाका आतां लिटरली सांगता डिफरंटूच दिसता ही प्लेस.
Music changes the vibes.
कशें जालें खबर आसा हांव दोळे पण आयकतालो मरे. इट वॉज लायक आयकता मरे टंग रेवडींतल्यान येताले गांवांत. हांगा कोण प्ले करता हांगा वचून टंग 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 रेवडींतल्यान शेक येता. ओ डूड.
Music does that. That's why I carry instruments. It changes the vibe of any place,
Shit,
anything.
dude.
And it's all vibrations, right?
Yeah.
So good vibrations, put you in a state of mind. That's how it works. You could actually play it. You know what we'll do? We'll make a song on the spot.
Oh.
You play it.
हो म्हाका काय कळना भाई.
म्हाका काय कळना भाई. You can use this. If you तबला कशें आसता पळय अशें जर तूं मारून धरलो जाल्यार तो तसो उरतलो. असो मारून yeah, you can play it like that or असो strike करून वयर काडपाचो हात. Yeah, you can play it with that. That will be easier for you. You can use both hands. Whatever you want to do, you play. Remember, I'm giving you a rhythm.
कळला.
Rhythm म्हणजे beat.
ना रित कळ्ळें पूण कळपाना फ्लो
ना
करपाक.
कळटलें कशें सांग. हांव मरे एक कॉन्स्टंट रिदम दितलो तेजेर तूं जायते वाजय बेसिकली. दॅट्स द पॉयंट. ओके, आय एम गिविंग अ कॉन्स्टंट रिदम ऑन दीस. यू प्ले वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट ऑन दॅट. कितें जाय तें.
भाई फर्स्ट टाइम म्युजीक करता बी कसलो तो पळय इंस्ट्रुमेंट भाई डायरेक्ट पिरो.
ओके,
प्रोफेशनल. स्टार्ट.
रेडी? 3, please remember this is just a jam up. We are both not professional musicians.
वो तो
okay?
फिर भी है,
नहीं।
ये तो इधर अमेच्योर का भी माइनस में है.
जो कुछ आता है वो बजाते हैं हम लोग. Okay, remember just take a deep breath
and feel them.
It's all about feeling the music.
Exactly.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I might look पिसो दिसतलो असं करता 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 हांव पण आसतलो म्हाका बट दिस वॉज कशें जाता खबर म्युजीक क्रिएट जाता मरे यू जस्ट
शेंटा भितर
असं जाता डूड थँक यू सो मच फॉर दिस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी.
So yeah, that was.
Has anyone played this instrument apart from you?
My friends have checked it out, but nobody is jammed up with this with me. So you're the first guy. Jamming up now. My friends have come, checked it out, okay, like this, but jam up.
खत्म है bro. खत्म. डाले. पूरो.
So yes, this is the tongue drum, and the last instrument that I got with me is a very special one. It's similar to the tongue drum. This has many notes. This doesn't. So I have so many of them. You must have seen this.
Yeah. उदक घालून करतात.
Yes, I have done
Yeah,
that. So these are Tibetan singing bowls. Now I'm going to be shooting a video on it over here that you can check out on my Instagram later on, and also YouTube. So I have 3 of them. This is the first one that I had bought. This is a Tibetan singing bowl made out of ceramic. This I got of Amazon, 700 rupees only. And this is basically, these are used in monasteries in the south, North Tibet and everything, and also
Northeast side.
Yeah, northeast. And in Tibetan in temples also it has a concept of the bell. So
Okay.
basically what this does is, this is made out of ceramic, so it's not a very pleasant sound, but these are much better sounding, and it lasts for a
Very long.
and what you can do is,
Play with it.
yeah, see that, so it just keeps going.
बनूच जाय ना.
No, if you keep doing this, it'll go on.
ओ भाई.
And you can also trigger it from without striking it, so something like this. A lot of things you can do with this. See?
कानकू.
Yeah.
दादा.
This one is a little irritating on the ears because it's made out of ceramic, but no problem. It's very cheap also. These are machine made ones. Then the second one that I got was this one. This is more pleasant for the ear. Now this is a machine made one, but from Tibet only. This was from Nepal actually. My friend had given me a gift when they had gone on a tour there. So this, again, you strike it with the mallet, and the concept is, again, it has only one note, right? It's just one note. So what you're supposed to do is focus on that one thing only.
Okay.
It's basically oneness with God, whatever it is. So that's why when we enter temple, what happens is once you listen to it, right? See this? This is like a bell. Once you listen to it, you're supposed to forget everything that you did outside, because now you're in the temple in front of the one and only. Yeah. So it goes like this. So again, this. It is more pleasant to the ear. You can keep this going for days and days.
Like आवाज चढ येता compared to that
Yeah.
दिसता.
Brass.
Okay.
They are made out of brass. The one made out of brass are the best. This is ceramic machine made. The cheapest one you could find.
Okay.
This is the smaller one. The bigger ones are a little more costlier. Brass machine made. This is brass handmade. Traditional. Yeah. Traditional Tibetan handmade singing bowl. This I got recently, about 2-3 weeks back. After New Year's I had bought it.
इधर पूरा एक्सक्लूसिव कंटेंट हो रहा है, इधर पूरा एक्सक्लूसिव हो रहा है.
This goes.
Oh,
See that?
dude.
This is like a gong.
Like actually तू ते हे बी गुण येतात पळय. नेपाळान दिसतात म्हाका ते.
Yes.
ती वाइब येता.
Yes,
ती
correct.
फुल ती वाइब येता.
So I learned different tricks on this. What you can do is like
Okay, enjoy.
creating
bro,
two
enjoy.
sounds at the same time. This is also basically binaural beats.
Okay.
The one thing I was talking about earlier in the
yeah.
podcast. So what I mean, this I'll keep here. This I'll keep here. Okay. So this, if you
Oh, vibrations, dude.
can feel the energy.
Yeah.
If you keep your hand little close to it, not touching it, little close, you can feel the vibe on your hand.
पळय घेता. ह्यो आनी पळय
ह्यो आनी
घेता.
पळय.
मुद्दाम पळय घेता. पॉडकास्ट बरें आसा, बट तो आदल्या नाका जस्ट लागी व्हरला आनी पळय घेता.
Side bus.
Vibrations येता पळय सारकी तुजे. Oh shit, dude.
So this is now the biggest one I have. There are bigger sizes that are this big.
Okay.
So those you strike with हे असता बेस ड्रम असता
कळ्ळें.
तितूर स्ट्राइक करता त्या सायड इतलो पयस हात दवरलो न्हू तुज्या हातीर अशें वायब्रेशन बसता डायरेक्ट. So this is my favorite now out of all these three, but there's no favorite as such, but I like this one because it's and this one lasts for a very long time. So, yeah. So what I do is it will keep going. So what I do is I combine them. There's a lot of energy coming from this.
तू थंय लागी हाडून नासलो म्हाज्या.
No.
बाय गो, आय थॉट
लागी येयलो.
लायक हांगा प्ले केल्ल्या दिसलो म्हाका. लिटरली सांगता हांगा धरून वाजयलेल्या भशेन.
It's all about the vibes. So then there are some crazy also things that you can do with this. I showed it on my Instagram, that
Oh,
the
yeah,
reel you were talking about. So what you can do with this is like if you put water in it, it will change the sound of it, which is the concept of that Jal Tarang and things like
Tarang.
that. Yeah, आता उदक बल्ला हांगा
तत्काल प्रभाव से दिखाएंगे. एक मिनट.
ओके. सो ये अभी मेरे पास है, इधर से पानी हमने लिया है. अभी आपको दिखेगा जब मैं इसको स्ट्राइक करूँगा.
Oh shit.
इसमें आपको अगर रिफ्लेक्शन से वाइब्रेशन दिख रहे हैं तो द पैटर्न्स आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट आर फॉर्म्ड इन दिस द वेब ऑफ लाइफ psychedelic patterns. See that they are formed in this. And if you at a certain point look at the patterns and one second, it's too heavy.
Yeah.
Sec, wait for it. Okay, on 4 sides, like in 4 directions. Okay, create these. It's shaking very badly in my hand, so I'm not focusing. Hopefully, बढ़िया है.
भाई साहब, ये कुछ बहुत गहरा वाला सीन हो रहा है यहाँ पे.
So this, if I could tell you something with this is, you see how this thing could vibrate and control water in this manner and give it these patterns. Imagine what sound can do to you, because your body is basically 72% water. So the kind of sounds you listen to, the kind of words you listen to influences a lot of things in your head. That's why we pray in the morning. What do we do when we say prayers? We say good things like keep us happy, successful, etc., etc. In school when we pray, right, we say good things because those words resonate in our mind and make our day in the same manner.
Thoughts become things.
Yeah. Therefore, before going to sleep and after you wake up in the morning, you should listen and do good things, or at least chant mantras or whatever it is that you like to do. If you're an atheist, of course, say good things, say good words to yourself, because that will kind of superimpose these thoughts in your head, and that's what it does. That's what music's all about. That's why music is so special for me. It's all about the vibration.
एंड दैट वॉज बेसिकली द एंड ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट. बाकी की छोटी मोटी यहाँ वहाँ की बातें जो दो यारों के बीच में होती है, उसके लिए चाहे वो व्लॉग पे जाओ, व्लॉग पे.
भगवान तो एक ही है भाई. God is one.
And he teaches us to love. Every religion teaches us to love because
love is the answer.
That is what comes naturally to a human thing. Hate is put upon. Love is पूरा बहुत हो गया, ये बहुत. Love is natural. जय भारत, जय भारत, जय जीपीए, जय हर्षित, जय अनिकेत, जिंदाबाद, हम डैम. बाय बाय. वॉच द व्लॉग. बाय बाय.